October will be coming a few more weeks from now, and we all know what October is set to offer. October is the month of Oktoberfest, and Oktoberfest is synonymous to beer, especially to Germans and Filipinos. Crimson Resort and Spa had a press conference recently for the Cebu's own Oktoberfest 2013. The said press conference was held to promote the very own version of Cebu to the popular annual event of Germany, the Oktoberfest. The popular European event was now adopted by Filipinos. On October 25, Crimson Resort and Spa will have the very first outdoor Oktoberfest. It is a beer celebration with a fusion of good music, a sumptuous buffet, and lots of traditional German games. The ticket will cost you 2,500 and entitle you with free-flowing beer, scrumptious all-you-can-eat German buffet, traditional German games and activities, and a hardcore party courtesy of Bavarian Sound Express for Germany. Crimson Resort and Spa promises a full load of fun with Oktoberfest 2013.